Well, I figured I would make a update for everybody. We got everything but the backhoe moved up here. Sorry for the bit of a hiatus there. Sold the house, had to move everything, so all that was fun. But we're up here at the new property where I got everything that I'm eventually going to build on, but that's going to be a little while, but I'm sure there'll be videos about it. So it's a little hard to make videos out here. There's no internet yet, but we're doing our best. You got the red truck here. It had a bit of a casualty. The water pump started making noise on it a while ago, and it decided that it wanted to spit a bearing out of it, so that's fun. We got the C65 here. You might, if you watch thwn's YouTube channel, you might have seen us building the driveway in here. We use this truck primarily, and you might have seen the newest addition to the fleet. It's kind of hard to see it right now, but that's the latest acquisition. It's a 1988 GMC Brigadier with about 150,000 kilometers on it. So it's pretty well brand new and excellent shape. If you want to see a video on just that, doing a walkthrough, we can do that. Just let me know. But this truck was actually on the road 2 years ago. My cousin passed away. It was his dad's truck, and his truck was broken down for 6 months or so he put this one on the road to run it. But so it wouldn't take very much to put back on the road, and I'm kind of on the fence about that one, whether I want to or not, because it kind of destroys the nostalgia of it, I would think. But anyways, that's a problem for another day. So we got the other square body up here, and I don't think I've showed anyone this yet. You really can't see, but what this is, it's an old Canadian-made military truck with old-style 2-ton axles under it that somebody converted to make into a monster truck at one point. You can kind of see it there. Sorry it's dark out. I got a minute to do this, so I figured I might as well update everybody. But somebody has converted it into a monster truck. There's no motor, tranny, cab. Well, there's a motor sitting in there, but it's not a permanent one. We just stuck it in there to move it. But so we're not sure where we're going with that just yet. But, and again, that's not really a priority right now. So basically everything's just a mess up here right now. I'm working on getting it tidied up, but between trying to help with the family farm and everything else, there's not a whole lot of time for me to be out here fiddle farting around. As you can see, that one's just loaded right full of tires from the old place. But yeah, the latest video that thwn put out, the poor dump box on that one took a little bit of a injury. We got her straightened back out, but it's in, poor old dump box is in pretty rough shape. But for its age, we can't really fault it. But again, any of the trucks, if you want to see more on, just say so, and I'll try and get a walkthrough done on them. We got Cole's crawler still sitting up here. It's actually been quite the machine for something that they planned on scrapping before we bought it. So basically we bought it for just a little above scrap price to save it from getting scrapped. We were just going to use it for parts for the other one to start with, but it ran and everything worked, so we figured we might as well keep working it. But there's a few videos on that from fixing miscellaneous stuff on it. So, and then we got the van body out here, got it tucked into the trees, and then we got the big trailer with just about everything out of the house that wouldn't fit anywhere else. So eventually I'm going to turn that into just a storage unit once I get everything moved. But again, when? Couldn't tell you. So yeah, everything's up here except for the dyno. I still haven't got a chance to get it moved yet, but that's kind of a chore all in its own, since it's still not moving itself, and it takes another big machine to push it onto the trailer, and trying to get the truck rented for the day and everything else is just a bit of a pain in the arse. So it's still over at the Cole's property where we were storing it, but it's coming. But yeah, so any of these trucks you want to know more about it, I know there was a little bit of interest on the C65 in Cole's videos, but if you want to know more about them, just ask, and I'll leave a link to his videos so you can see what he filmed that I didn't. Thanks for watching.